United Arab Emirates Air Force, fighter jets, special mission jets, helicopters, trainer jets, and UAV. Fighter jets. F-16 Fighting Falcon, role, multi-role fighter, in service, 77. Dassault Mirage 2000, role, multi-role fighter, in service, 63. Air Tractor, AT-802, role, firefighting aircraft, in service, 20. Special mission jets. Saab, 2000, role, airborne early warning and control, in service, 2. GlobalEye Express Role, airborne early warning and control, in service, 1. Global Express 6000 Role, reconnaissance, in service, 2. Bombardier -8 Role, maritime patrol, in service, 2. Helicopters. AgustaWestland AW139 Role, utility helicopter, in service, 8. Bell 412 Role, utility helicopter, in service, 4. Eurocopter AS350 Role, utility helicopter, in service, 3. Bell 407 Role, utility helicopter, in service, 1. Sikorsky UH-60 Role, utility helicopter, in service, 1. Trainer jets. Pilatus PC-7 Role, advanced trainer, in service, 31. Pilatus PC-21 Role, advanced trainer, in service, 25. BAE Systems Hawk Role, advanced trainer, in service, 12. Grob G 115 Role, basic trainer, in service, 12. Airmacchi MB-339 Role, basic trainer, in service, 12. Bell 407 Role, rotorcraft trainer, in service, 13. Beechcraft King Air Role, multi-engine trainer, in service, 3. Unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV. Denel dynamic seeker Role, surveillance, in service, 11. On orders. D5 Lightning II Role, stealth multi-role fighter, on order, 50. AH-64 Apache Role, attack helicopter, on order, 9. MQ-9 Predator B Role, unmanned combat aerial vehicle, on order, 18. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel, share this video, like this video and comment.